Conversation between Richard and Elizabeth. Good morning, Elizabeth. What's on your agenda for today?
Hi, Richard. I have a few errands to run in the morning.
Sounds productive. What are you doing in the afternoon?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee at 2 p.m.
Nice. Any plans for the evening?
I'm going to the gym for a workout after coffee.
I might join you at the gym later.
That would be great. We could grab dinner afterwards.
Sounds like a plan. What time should we meet?
How about 6 p.m.?
Works for me. I'll see you then.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Have a good morning.
You too. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, Elizabeth. See you later.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.